Hi guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel. To all my dear viewers, today I'll be explaining Theorem 6, Theorem 7 and Theorem 8. And this will be the last theorem in chapter 6. Now, as we can see in the first theorem, it is lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. All this theorem, whatever theorem that we have been discussed so far, all of this theorem will be used at the time when we're about to solve it, the textual exercise. Okay? Because of that, whatever things that you can understand, you please go back to the last videos and try to understand it from that. Then, whenever we solve the textual exercise, it will be easiest for you. Alright? Now let us begin this. To begin it, let us start with this one. Line which are parallel to the same line means line AB is a line and CD is also a line. EF is also a line, means line which are parallel to the same line. Okay, line which are parallel to the same line means AB parallel to CD, and after that let us take again EF. EF parallel to, what is that? It is CD. These two are the lines and parallel to the same line, that is CD. And if it is, at last, these two lines should also be parallel to each other. This is what Theorem 6 actually wants us to know it from this. Okay? And after that, let us move to the next, which is Theorem 7. In Theorem 7, we have the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Means, let us suppose that we have a triangle which is PQR, and in this PQR, if we add all the angles, then we will have 180 degree. Okay, so this is Theorem 7, and in each of this angle, what is the values for this? It will be like 60 degree. Okay, it will be 60, and here it will be 60 degree. Each of this angle will have 60 degree, which we can prove it like this: angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. But in order to prove how much values it is in each angle, we need to consider this triangle as an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all the angles should also be equal. Okay? In case of this, it will be like, if I'm about to take this angle A, then it will be angle A, angle A, angle A. And after that, it will be like this. And this will be 180 degree divided by 3, and now how much will it be? It is 60 degree, right? Each of this angle is 60 degree, and now if you add all the three angles, then it will get a 180 degree, right? So this is all about the Theorem 7, which it is that like this: the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Whatever angles that we have in this triangle PQR, let us add all the angles, and after that we will get 180 degree. Okay, and then let us move to the last one, which is Theorem 8. In Theorem 8, we have, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, means whatever angles that we have in that side, so let us add these two, and the sum of these two angles will be equal with the one which is in outside, means which we call it as exterior angles. Okay, that is angle PRS. Where is PRS? This one. And after that, what do we have? We have RQP and RPQ. So these are the two angles. Let us add it together, and after adding this, whatever angles that we have in outside, which we call it as exterior angle, will be equal with these two sum of angles. Alright, now this is all about the theorems which we are about to explain it today, and after this the theorem is over and we are about to move it to the textual exercise. So please be ready for that. In order to understand the textual exercise, please go back to the previous videos and try to clear your doubt, and this will help you. Alright, now let's stop up to this, and if there's any student who can understand this, you can ask me in comment sections. Thank you. That's all for today.